There's a white dog near our house that appeared earlier this year. She chose a place on the pavement away from other dogs and made it hers. She's particularly shy and so far we haven't been able to get near her. She's kept above water by sleeping on sandbags in the first week of the flood and continues to do so. This black dog has been living on a table for a few weeks. He looks as if he's had an owner until recently, probably somebody that's had to evacuate. He keeps looking around as if he's waiting for them to come back. Yet another black dog that appeared recently in the floods. He looks as if he's always lived on the streets. He's survived the flood in more or less one place, but he's not in the best of health these days. I imagine drinking the putrid water can't help. 2 of the 3 dogs now at Esso have always lived since puppies on waste ground nearby. They were part of a pack of about 12. The white dog appeared at the start of the flood. She looks lonely, almost as if she's had an owner up until recently. Perhaps she will get lucky and be reunited with them again. Or with somebody else, if you're out there in Bangkok and watching this.
Fleck. Heat. Heat. Heat, Fleck. Heat. Heat. Go on, heat. Heat. Heat, Fleck. No. Heat. Heat. I know. Heat. Go on, Fleck. Heat. Heat. Good dog. Oh, you're a good dog.